Can we talk about it? I just want to talk about it. This is another episode of Healthy Discussion. And today's topic, we're going to talk about PNC. Now, PNC is planning on closing some more banks. Now, pay attention to what's going on. PNC is now in the news for closing more banks. We know that Wells Fargo is closing banks. Banks of America is closing. Mostly people are closing their brick and mortar. Why? Is this because of the internet? Is this because of AI? Is this because of the times we're in? Inflation, the interest rate is out the roof. Why are most moms and pop stores closing down? Ask yourself that, because I want to know. Why is moms and pop store closing down, and why is PNCs and banking industries are changing? See, they're distracting us with this Israel and Palestine war. Now, people have been warned for years. That's not going to change. War is actually profitable. But in the same notion and at the same time, right? Our home front is actually under attack. I think we're in World War III as we speak. We're in World War III as we speak because our whole infrastructure is changing. The way you interact with things on the daily is changing. It's literally changing. Smash that like button if you agree. The way you interact with things is changing on a daily basis. So my question would then be, is this what's happening? Like, for example, let me show you this change. Uber Eats. This is another change right here. Let me get out the way. Y'all see that change right behind me? Let me zoom in. That's the change right there. These are little small robots that will be delivering your food. So say, for example, if you're an Uber driver, a DoorDash driver, or you just food delivery, making some extra money, your extra money has been sliced in half due to that technology. The banking, PNC, mostly banks closed. They brick and mortar. 99.9% of banks close their brick and mortar. Why? Because it's cost efficient. People aren't spending money, so if people aren't spending money, what you think? Which I really think. If people aren't spending money, wouldn't that affect the consumers? And if the consumer holds the entire economy up, doesn't that affect you and I? So just pay attention. The internet and AI has disrupted a lot of things in today's time. Smash that like button if you agree. Do you bank at PNC? How is PNC treating you? How? Because I bank with PNC. They're great as far as customer service and everything. I have nothing bad to say about PNC. But they're doing what's in their best interest for the shareholders. Bank of America is doing the same thing. Wells Fargo is doing the same thing. JP Morgan is doing the same thing. It's like, I just see a lot of these companies, what they're going to do is just merge. There's a lot of acquisition and company merger because they figured out they must come together in order to survive. Like, it's a must. Smash that like button if you agree. It's a must if they come together and survive. Because if not, the world is changing. Everything will be disrupted. From the financial sector, to the politics, to the manufacturing, to the supply chain, all these things will be disrupted. On that note, leave a comment down below. Some people, they have to travel miles and miles, especially older folks, just to go to a bank, learn online banking. It's a reason why it's online, for a reason. They know what's to come. On that note, smash that like button, smash that share, make sure people are aware. The banking system is changing. The home front is changing. Pay attention to what's going on at your home, not what's going on across the street or across the world, because you and I can't control that. On that note, peace, blessings, and love. Peace, blessings, and love. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. What's your banking looking like? Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. On that note, can we talk about it? I just want to talk about it. Boom.